birthday, Mama. You gift.
हाँ?
You gift.
आरस में गिफ्ट लाइट क्यों नहीं है यहाँ पे? What's happening? Oh my God! So pretty! Wow, that's so pretty, Priyesh. Did you change her clothes like in 2 minutes?
Yeah, you should see what she's wearing.
What is she wearing? I can't see anything. It's too dark. Oh my God, so pretty. Thank you, Priyesh.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay guys, so I'm sitting down on the floor in my daughter's room because some of you might already know my vanity is in my daughter's room and I just wanted to sit down and do my makeup comfortably. So this is my second birthday in the pandemic. Last time it was in a complete lockdown. Although we still celebrated at home, Priyesh baked the cake also for me. And this time also we are staying inside. We can't go out obviously. But he's made this birthday so very special. He's been gifting me and you know he did a midnight celebration. He did all the decoration and everything. It was so sweet. I'm feeling very loved and blessed with all the love that I'm getting, not just today but in general every day. I feel so lucky to have him in my life and all my loved ones, my parents, my brothers, sisters, family, friends. I am so thankful to all of you for being there in my life. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. So Priyesh has planned a little party for me at home. Some close relatives are coming. You already know them, like Priyansha, Utkarsh, my cousin Mansidi, my Jiju, and their daughter Inaya. You saw them in my Holi vlog. So they are coming. We're gonna have a little celebration, and so they're gonna be here in about 1.5 hours, I think. So I'm just getting ready for my party. So I thought I'll just show you guys how I'm getting ready. So jaldi se ready ho jate hain before Arya wakes up. She is sleeping right now. Jaldi se ready hoke I'll show you guys what I'm wearing and everything. I'll see you guys. So I've just washed and scrubbed my face today. As you can see, I've been breaking out a lot recently. It breaks out a lot when there's a change in seasons, and when I'm chumming it breaks out. So I don't know, I've been breaking out near my jawline. Anyway, I recently got this foundation. This is Nykaa Skin Shield. I've heard very good reviews about it, and it's a full coverage foundation. I've actually never used a full coverage foundation before. I've always used from light to medium coverage. So I wanted to try a full coverage foundation, especially because I am breaking out and I have all these acne marks and everything. So hopefully it will do a good job. I'm in the shade 06 Warm Beige, which is perfect for my skin. I also got another thing, which is again from Nykaa. So this is Nykaa Skin Potion Anti-Acne Facial Oil. They have a whole range of facial oils at Nykaa. You can check it out. I don't know personally how they are, but I wanted to try one because it's anti-acne and I have this whole situation on my face. And anyway, my skin is like a combination on my face, at least. Like, it's oily in parts, like around the nose and everywhere, but I also get a lot of dry patches. So if I use a heavy moisturizer, I break out a lot. But if I don't use any moisturizer, my skin is extremely dry and flaky. So I thought maybe it will be a good idea to, try some facial oils. They're all the rage these days anyway. So this can be mixed with foundation also. Hopefully it will work for my acne. Let's see. I'm going to be using my wet sponge to apply my foundation today, and I also managed to wash all my dirty brushes, makeup brushes today. So that's a good thing. I'm too lazy when it comes to washing my brushes. But anyway, let's start quickly. So I'm taking a little bit of foundation. It has this tube thing which can get a little messy. I hate it. It's new and it's already dirty. So I've taken this much right now, and I'll see how much I need it. And for the facial oil, since it's the first time I'm using it, I'm just taking a drop and mixing it with my foundation. I think I want to apply some of that oil on my... Oh, I forgot. No. I didn't moisturize my face. I didn't put anything on my face. How can I apply foundation directly? I'm stupid, I know. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. I've been using this Aloe Moringa Gel by Devika. It has moringa oil in it, which is supposed to be very good, and aloe vera calms the skin down. So I've been using this, and it's a gel formulation, so it doesn't make my skin too oily, but it just gives the right amount of moisture. So I'm taking a little bit and just applying everywhere. So now I'm applying this Nykaa Skin Potion Anti-Acne Facial Oil. I'm just adding a little bit on both the sides. It's supposed to be a dry oil, so it won't make your skin greasy. It's not supposed to. I've never tried this before. I'm just doing this for the first time. Feels good. It smells, the smell is kind of strong. But it's okay. Like, it's not a very pleasant smell, but it's fine. Like, it's not bad or anything. It's not greasy or oily at all. So next thing that I'm applying is my PAC Pore Primer. I've been using it for a while, but I only use it on like special occasions or anything. So, but it's fine. Like, looks like this. I'm taking a little bit, and I have very large pores here. I use it majorly here and like on the corners here. And then whatever is left, I just apply it on all over my face. It's really easy to blend your foundation after you apply primer, because not only it just covers your pores and everything, it also makes the skin really like smooth and silky and, you know, really easy to blend. So it's really great to use a primer underneath your foundation. So now that my skin is prepped, I'm going ahead with my Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. I'm taking a little bit at the back of my hand, and then we'll see how much I need and I'll keep adding. I'm going to add another drop of that facial oil that I apply into my foundation. So I'm just mixing like a drop of it. I'm going to mix them up nicely. And I'm going to just put little dots of this foundation all over my face and neck. Now I'm taking my wet sponge and I'll start blending it. So this much foundation is not doing anything for me. I think I'm going to take a little bit more. I still have some left on my hand, so I'm just going to I've taken some more on my hand. Yeah, I think this is better now. Maybe I used too little before. Guys, I don't know about the full coverage honestly, because this doesn't look like full coverage to me. I've applied a lot of foundation. I usually don't apply so much foundation on my face. Maybe it's not supposed to be full coverage, but that's what the salesperson said at the Nykaa store. So, but anyway, I like the texture and feel of this foundation. Okay guys, and I'm gonna do the makeup without talking, because I think my cousin is already here and I'm still doing makeup. So I'm gonna just quickly finish everything without talking. Alright guys, so this is how I look right now. I had to kind of rush it because my cousin is already here. I don't want them to wait too much for me. So I just quickly finished whatever I could in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna do my hair and change now, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just straightened my hair a little bit, nothing much. Everybody's here and I'm gonna go enjoy my party. This is the dress that I'm wearing. I'll probably put a clip later on of the whole dress. I love the color though, like that rusty brick color.